and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be making firecrackers. You may be wondering, what are firecrackers? I tell you, it's the most delicious cracker you'll ever have. If you'd like to know how to make these, stay tuned. Hi, I'm so glad you stayed tuned to learn how to make these firecrackers. So what you'll need a whole box of saltine crackers, and you'll need a rectangular dish or a Rubbermaid container, just something that's rectangular and deep and it has a lid that you can secure on tightly. You're going to open all your crackers up and place them in your container with the sides up, just like so. So I've already done that. So let's get to mixing the ingredients to pour over these crackers. So you need a mixing bowl, and you need 1 1/3 cup of vegetable or canola oil. So where's my 1/3? Right here. All right, so 1 1/3 of oil goes into your mixing bowl. You're going to need 1 package of dry ranch dressing mix. So open that up and pour it in your bowl. Next, you're going to need 1 tablespoon of crushed red pepper. If you get a little extra, that's fine. It'll just season it up a little better. And then, to that, you're going to need 1 tablespoon of ground red pepper. Okay. So we've got all of our ingredients in our mixing bowl. And now we're just going to stir it until it's well blended. It mixes well into the oil, so you don't really need a lot of time mixing it. Okay, that looks blended. So now you're going to get your crackers back. And you're going to pour these, see if I can get it where you can see it, all over your crackers. You are going to mix it up a little bit so it will get mixed in. So now we just got to take our lid and secure it onto your container. You don't want to vigorously shake these because you don't want to break your crackers. So all you're going to do is gently turn them upside down. Let some of that oil drip down, back and forth. Just do that several times, just gently, but not hard. Turn it back up, give it a few more shakes. I can tell my lid is leaking a little bit. Okay, so once you've got that done, you need to let these sit for at least an hour. But every 15 minutes or so, you need to come back and give them a good toss. But after an hour, they should be ready to eat. And you can enjoy these by themselves. They're delicious. They're very addicting, I must warn you. Once you start eating them, they're very hard to stop. And then you can also serve them with cheese slices or just plain cream cheese. But I have a ranch cream cheese ball that I make that I like to serve with these. So if you will come back later on my next video, I will show you how to make that cheese ball and how we enjoy it with these crackers. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and share. And if you want to see more recipes and tips for creative living, please hit that subscribe button along with the bell button so you'll be notified when I post another video. So until next time, I'll see you later.